how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Larry's Fountain Pen Review. Today is mail call day. For me, when I get mail call, it's like I'm digging on Christmas. Like Santa has come and dropped off all his goodies for all the little S's out here in the groovy city of Fort Worth. So, let's get busy and open this box. I know what it is, but you don't. But you soon will. Ta-da, ta-da. Ta-da, ta-da. Ta-da, ta-da. Now! Here we go. Ta-da! Up here. Ta-da! From Heinz. Right? Yes, sir. Handcrafted Ta-da pens. Ta-da! Proudly made in Texas. I'm digging Texas, baby. So, all right. So, let's go right and open this little jewel up. I do like the pen case. I like this blackened with Heinz handcrafted pens. It looks really cool. Looks great. So let's open this jewel up and look what's in here. This pen was made from my specifications, and look at the size. It's not a long pen. It's a short pen, but it has a lot of girth to it. And to have a fine nib in this one. Look how well it posts. It's a bad boy right here. I like that black clip on it. The color of blue is to die for. I mean, Jim just came up with a really beautiful resin blue material here. And he knocked this one out of the park. Of course, it's a barrel. It comes with the converter and some ink in it. And it's ready to write. So, I'm just going to do a little scribbling here. And then later we'll do a review. Look at that. Very nice nib on this thing. So, you're asking about it has ink in it, yeah, because when Jim sent it to me, he wasn't finished with it yet. He wanted me to make sure this is what I wanted, and it was, and I had some ink in there, so I just sent it back with the ink and leave it as that, but it all worked out great. What do you think about the pen, your honest opinion, Mr. Announcer?
Oh, I like it. I love the shades of blue that it has.
It does, yeah. It's a big girthy pen, isn't it?
Yes, definitely.
And we will compare that pen with your girthy, giant, humongous hunker of a pen.
I think this blue one might actually be a little larger than mine.
I don't even think so. This is shorter.
Oh, no, I said larger, not short. And mine is probably longer, yes.
Yeah, yours is longer. This is more girthier than yours. But yours is like a Harry Potter wand. So, wow. Mwah! Yes, I love pens, yes. But anyway, Jim Heinz, you rock, my brother. So, I will leave this out of the box. And I will put it with my other pens so I can get ready for a review. Well, my friends, what's happening in Fort Worth? Well, Mr. Announcer is going to be off school because it's supposed to snow and sleet. I've been looking for the weather report in Fort Worth. It shows rain tonight, but no snow and sleet. So, I don't know what or the purport they're getting, but you know, he's about what, 40 miles away from Fort Worth?
Oh, no, 20.
About 20.
But it's out a lot of country roads where the bus routes are.
So haven't heard about any bad weather from that area yet, but I guess the school has, because they shut the school down, didn't they?
Yep.
Wow. Huh. So my man, announcer man, is going to be like sleeping late. All right, well, hey, time to go, right? I've got 1,001 things to do and not enough time and day to complete it. So, my friends, until the next video, I want you, now listen, here's your homework, to let me know what do you think about this color of pen. The size of the pen. It's a shorter pen, and when I do the review, I will be showing you some longer pens. But the girth of this pen, it really feels great in the hand. So, let me know, my friends. Until my next video review, that's your homework. Leave some comments about the new Heinz pen. Now, I haven't named it yet, so we need to come up with a name for this pen. So if you have any interest in names, send the names in with your comments. And then I'll pick one out. And who knows, I may send a prize or something. I don't know. All right, that wind it up. Be safe, my friends. And remember, don't text and drive. Take care. Bye-bye.